Okay, we're going to turn to page 759. We're going to be working on dividing fractions this week. So on page 759, look at the top of the page. You know that 6 divided by 3 means to take 6 objects and divide them into 3 equal groups. There would be 2 in each group. You can think of division with unit fractions in the same way. A unit fraction is a fraction with a numerator of 1. In other words, it's a whole number put over 1. Let's look at our problem. Remy has 2 gallons of lemonade. She needs to divide the lemonade into 1/4 gallon containers. How many 1/4 gallon containers does she need? So we're going to be finding 2 divided by 1/4. Think, how many groups of 1/4 are in 2? Number 1, represent the 2 gallons by placing 2 whole fraction tiles. And here they are, 2 whole tiles. Place enough of the 1/4 fraction tiles below the 2 whole fraction tiles to represent the same amount. Label the model with 1/4 fraction tiles. So here we have 4 parts and 4 more parts for each one of our whole fraction tiles. So let's label them. This is 1/4, this is 1/4, this is 1/4, this is 1/4. Now we go to our second one. This is 1/4, this is 1/4, this is 1/4, and this is 1/4. How many 1/4 fraction tiles did it take to equal the 2 whole fraction tiles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 2 divided by 1/4 is 8. Notice our digit is larger than our unit fraction. Remy will need 8 containers. Okay, let's look at page 260. Okay, our problem is 1/5 divided by 2. Now look, this time our unit fraction is the second digit. Place a 1/5 fraction tile. There it is. There's 1/5. Since you're dividing by 2, you are dividing 1/5 into 2 equal groups, and here they are. Find the fraction tile that, when placed twice, will be the same size as 1/5 fraction tile. Label the model with the fraction tiles you placed. Well, let's look at it. Half of 1/5 would be 1/10, wouldn't it? So we have 2 fraction tiles here that equal 1/5, and each one of them is 1/10. So what fraction tile did you place? We placed 1/10. How many 1/10 fraction tiles did it take to equal 1/5 fraction tile? It took 2. So 1/5 divided by 2 is 1/10.